But instead of wheels, what you have is a nose with superpowers. And it's not just the nose that works. So do your lungs, your eyes, your stomach muscles. Even your eyelids close on their own to protect themselves. All this happens in less than a second. As if your body were saying, "Get out of here, you little bug. I'm in charge here." They say that if you sneeze with your eyes open, they can fly out. Can you imagine? Your eyes going around in the air like kites. Don't worry, it's just a myth. Your eyes stay firmly in place, even if you sneeze 1,000 times in a row.